In this tutorial, I am going to teach you about how to join layers using attribute. We will join two layers using the common attribute value. So we will use the data we created in this georeferencing and digitizing tutorial, which you can access at this website, and it will be written in the description also. So I have already displayed this layers image and the land use polygons. So you can see that we have different land use IDs, and we are going to add one more ID named land use name. So we have only 5 features here. So we can simply add one column and write the names manually, but when we have large number of data, it is not possible to write all the values manually. So we are going to use layer join tool. So first of all, we should know the correspondence of this ID value with the name of the land use. So we know that this one is road, and 2 is building, and 3 is green area, and 4 is barren land. So we will create this text file. So let us create one new text file, and we know that one. So first of all, we write the header of the column. So ID and LU name, land use name. So ID1 is road, ID2 is building, ID3 is green area, and 4 is barren area. So when we create this data, we should separate the columns by comma, and then finally we save this file as, for example, GIS exercise and video lu names dot csv. We should save it as csv. We can also use Excel or any spreadsheet program and save it as csv. So we have saved it, and now we can just add this layer from this folder. So you can find this lu names of .csv, and we can drag and drop here, but it does not have geometry, so it will be only shown as table. So we have this table named land use name, and we have 4 different IDs, and similarly in this geometrical polygons, we have different rows of data. So we want to join these two tables. So the common columns are LUID in this land use polygon, and ID in LU names represent the same thing. So we will join these two tables using ID and LUID. So double click this one and joins, and we use add joins. In this way you can join multiple layers also. So LU names, we are going to join with LU names. So the join field is ID, and target field is belongs to the this polygon. So we have LU ID. So these two, but uh, okay, let us see. So we can see that two layers are joined. So this is all we can complete by this. But once this CSV data is not available, then it will be gone. So we will better create one new field. So for example, we create a field name LU name and write it as text, and the value of this comes from the joined column named LU names underscore LU name. So we can find this field here. So LU name. So output field length. So we should keep the longest length. So maybe it can be 15. And then if we click OK, then the new column will be created, and we save this table and in editing, and now we can remove the join. So by clicking this and then clicking minus, OK, and now if we check this table, we can find that now this is permanent. The new column is created with the name of land use.